I guess I'm not alone this morning. I have a coffee drinking buddy out on my balcony. I think he's doing his morning meditation as well, contemplating his life. Listening to the roosters say good morning. Good morning, Pampanga. Not sure if this guy's he's guarding the construction equipment. I think he was there all night working hard. That one rooster in particular is very good at his job at cuckoo-rooking. He's a strong rooster. He makes all the hens in the neighborhood very happy. Proving that Coolidge effect theory to the next level. Good for him. And that's it for this morning. Stay strong, Pampanga. Live long. Vote for me as barangay captain. And give a like and a subscribe to my coffee drinking buddy. That's all for now.